I heard the music lag. The Unreal Engine is so powerful it makes the music lag. Wow. Glad I'm using this engine. Starting to taste bad. What up, guys? Welcome to a Coding Things IRL stream. My name is Adam. We're gonna do some more Unreal Engine. Yep, that's right. Alright, enough of that. Enough of that. We don't need that today. Mushroom Cow, good to see you. Thank you for joining. I haven't been streaming in a while. I've been having a creative dirge. I've been in a rut. But I'm back. I'm ready to go. Alright, let's get the music down a little bit more. I think it's there. Let me know if the music is too loud, because I hear it differently in my ears. It's never the same because I'm inconsistent. But it's part of my charm. Unreal Engine. Alright. So you can see there little preview picture what we started to make earlier. It is a candy themed driving game. We're going to be driving on candy cane roads, on soda pop sunsets. It's actually a good idea. I should make the sky be soda pop. Alright, but we have a problem, and that problem is called the chocolate. So the name of this video is fixing the chocolate. Let's fix the chocolate. Alright, so first, where is the chocolate? I've completely forgotten where everything is. Okay. So I have a base material, but I think I need to go into my content drawer and find my chocolate material that I made. Wait a minute. This wasn't here earlier. Okay. And what happens if I mean, is this a better chocolate texture? Let's see. So I think I need to go to Editor Preferences. And somewhere I've set a default material. Yeah. Okay, so we have it set to this M color grid U asset. And I didn't see that before. That was not there. So I should be able to find in here textures somewhere. I don't exactly know the folder structure here, as you could probably tell. We have starter content here and textures, and there it is, Choco. So I must have loaded in the starter content while I was working. So I set that, and I think it took. It looks different. I think maybe, I don't know. I do remember, and I do know that these ones are set manually. So let's go to that Choco material, and I don't see it here anymore. Huh. Okay. So I have it in my content drawer. It's right here. Yeah, it looks much better. I think it's what it is the level of detail that I have on that chocolate is just too much. It's too much. And once I get close, it starts, because from far away, it's I forget what they call that, but it's not all of it is rendered. If I could just say that the stupidest way possible. I'm not sure. Maybe I did make this one. Because it looks like one that I named. You know what I mean? Well, this one's Choco. Okay. Alright. By the way, I suck at this editor. I think maybe if I hold shift, I'll go faster. Just deal with the pain. Ladies and gentlemen, just deal with the pain. Apologize in advance. Maybe I can just reach it from over here. Boop. Hey, that looked like it worked. The floor still looks too much. I'm not sure if that is... Let's see. It's called landscape material. Right there. I can't change it here. Maybe I didn't change it before. Let's see. Landscape material. It's not there. Alright, let's look for all references to the word material. Use graphs in the material and the blueprint editor. I think that's fine. Update the geometry. Binding. Okay, those are bindings. That's not what it is. It's not a key binding. It's not a material for dropped textures. Here is default material asset, and I think that's what I selected. But I'll go ahead and select it again. I don't know. I don't think that's it. I remember what I did though. I don't think I ever found it. Yeah, I never found that setting. I don't even know if it is a setting. I don't know. Let's see here. World settings. Okay. I think I looked here. And it ain't here. What was that? Was that it? BP. No, that's the game mode. That's not it. Yeah, no. Still don't see it. And I'm not gonna waste too much time. Alright, let's just see how it looks. Maybe it did update and it just didn't change there. I don't know. I don't think it did though. I still see that terrible shininess. Although it does seem like it's running better. I'm not moving. Yeah, and then there's that. Okay, well, let's see what else we can do here then. I see all these cubes. I think the cubes are actually the ones that have the material. Get out of there. So these cubes right here. No, it's not that. I remember the spline actor, the landscape spline actor, and then see that if I click on parts of it, it highlight the road or the ground there. What's going on with that? All right, so there's the details. Aha! See? Oh, but I still can't change it. Landscape spline actor. I think that's the track. This is the landscape. Oh, there it is. There it is. Choco map. I think that did it. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. Cool. Yes. All right, let's see if it runs better now. It really should. Oh yeah. That's way better. I think it should be gooey chocolate, right? I think if you go off-road, you should probably be worn down a little bit, right? And that'll give me an opportunity to switch to something that's physical. Man, this would take so much work to make this without the Unreal Engine. It's fun. So, I mean, it's already fun, but I mean, it's whatever. All right, so what do we want to do now? The friction of the chocolate material, as well as maybe we can find a way to make it a little bit spongy, so that, you know, it gives the right feedback, perceptual feedback. You know, if you're slowing down and you look like you're in something that's slippery, you know, that's not gonna work. It's not gonna look good. Anyway, so for this, I think we're gonna have to edit the physical properties of this material. Okay, so I have no idea. I think physics something. Okay, there's a physics material mask. We don't need that, I don't think. And then a physical material. And then we have slippery and non-slippery so far. So I think that might be something that we can do. We'll set this one to non-slippery and save it. And at the same time, or slightly after, we'll find the candy cane material that we have, which is cleverly named iStock Photo, because that's where I found, you know, the picture, the normal mapping picture. It's not really a normal map, but who the hell cares? All right. So, yeah, no. So it's gonna be physical material. Physical. And it's gonna be the slippery one. Maybe. I think I want to make my own. Or just none. 7 none. See what we get with none. See how the game plays. Alright, so it's the effect of this should be completely normal. Go. What's going on? Oh, there we go. Just clicked out of it. And then once I go over here, it should start to be, yeah, it's like hard to drive in. Yeah, that's good. It's actually really good. It's hard to turn. Yeah. I think that's actually what that's meant for. Because that works too good. I want to try slippery. Let's make it slippery. Kind of looks like a big slip and slide, doesn't it? Doesn't it? All right. Is anybody out there? Make some noise in the chat if you're here. Alright, let me see. It already looks so good. Yeah, I know. It's insane. It is insane. I barely did anything. You know, I just mapped some stuff. I'm just learning this. But you know, if it were like a RPG or something like that, I don't even know the type of work that goes into that. It's actually, there's a new frontier in that particular field, because people are starting to incorporate large language models into their NPCs. It's pretty sweet. I think that there's a lot of potential for innovation there. Like, you know, just imagine talking to an NPC and it says something different every time. That's pretty sweet, you know? Not the same old recited lines. You get something different every single time. Just whatever pops into their little thoughts. Thank you, Mushroom. I appreciate you. Let me go, let me add some fake viewers to my stream. Wait, no, I'm not doing that. I'm absolutely not doing that, guys. That is not what I'm doing. That was just a joke. Please help. Alright, excuse me for a second while I do that. Or don't do that. I'm not doing that, guys. Oh, look at there. We got some hearts. Where did that come from? Certainly not me. Alright. I'm milking it. Alright. Just one for now. We'll give it the slow burn. Make sure you like the video if you haven't already. If there's anybody else other than Mushroom, why not subscribe? We're doing some cool stuff, right? Alright. Yeah, so I wanted to see what the slippery felt like. I'm gonna think it's probably not gonna be good for driving on. That's my prediction, but I have to know. Alright, I set it to slippery. Close. That had the little asterisk. I'm not sure if it's saved or not. Drive, dude. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is not good. Yeah, this is not good for driving on. We do not want that on our road. Oh, look at that. Ha! I can already, oh man, so much already there, you know? It's amazing. Alright. It's funny, just right when I was about to come on, I was thinking, I was actually thinking, hey, maybe I'm not gonna do the Unreal Engine, actually. I don't know, it's like, you know, it's not really coding. You don't really have the most control over some of the inner points. But then I thought, I don't know a lot of this stuff, so if anything, this is going to be a good learning experience. Alright, what the hell was I doing? The physical material. Remove the slipperiness. Yeah, I'm just going to say, definitely, I mean, just the way that it feels, it's better to drive on none than any of those. I can't possibly imagine a property of a material that would exist that would improve that. It's good. It really works, actually. Okay. We already fixed the chocolate. We already improved the physics a little bit. What's next? We could make the car look a little bit better, I guess. Let me see if we have a car. I think this one we can make look a little bit better. What do we want it to look like? If this is a candy driving game, what does the car look like? Something that we can mess with later. We got tires. We got a like dune buggy-ish body. It's not really gonna do well for us. What is this stuff? Let me make this bigger. Tons of materials. Alright, I'm gonna try to am I going to try to do? All right. Let me take the existing car. I mean, first of all, I can improve it by making it proper chocolate. Because that chocolate material is way better. I need to look at that and see why that material is just so much better. Okay, so this is a mesh. This is what I need to edit, I believe. Oh man, a lot of stuff. So this is the entire car. Right click. Graphs, functions, macros, variables, my blueprint, and then fix this. Set scalar parameter, chassis material, variable type. That's what I did. Yeah, okay, so that's the the base material for it. Okay. Oh man, so much stuff. This is an event graph, but I don't need an event graph. Let me go back to the content drawer. Let me right click this. Preview, create child, no. Okay, there's edit. Yeah, edit. That's where I'm at. Okay. This is the model here. And here is this skeletal mesh here. Okay, here we go. All of these materials are going to change to that other chocolate material if I can. The one that somebody else made. Because it's better. That's the slot. And I double click that and I'm suddenly editing it. Okay. I think I can do the little draggy droppy thing, so let me find my Choco again. Position the windows right here. A little clunky, I'll be honest. I do not like using all of this drag and drop stuff. Okay, well, it didn't change. Clothing, none. Okay, I don't seem to be able to isolate, highlight, generate up to visible ray tracing. Let's turn that off. And then whatever that dark part of the top of it, find a way to turn that off too. Well, the tires I like the candy cane tires, to be honest. Oh, sorry, Mushroom, what's up? The car is a cookie. I might try to cookie. The thing about it is I can just change the material whenever I want. So, yeah. Oh, here's the material slots. Why can't I change them down there, though? See what I mean? It's like there's little stuff like that. Like it's such a robust thing. There we go. Choco matte. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. That looks so much better. Okay, so switch them all up. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. That's making me hungry. Actually, I want to eat some chocolate right now. Damn, that looks good. I think that's fine. I think that's completely fine. Maybe the windows would be better as, you know what I'm saying? Oh. Well, I don't think it's mapped. I don't think it's... I think I changed the mapping on it or something. That ain't it. And that ain't it. Is this it? I don't see it. Here, let me do this. I think I know. Yeah, I think I know what's going on. Alright, so I'm gonna use the one that's called glass. And then this one. I think they want me to do this. So I'll set this one to whatever. And then what else do I got? Yeah, so we got the default one. That's like gonna be most of them. Can we only use one material per thing? Alright, so the glass material is here. That actually is the... That's in the right place. It's just... The shader is messed up. I'm not going to use that. That looks better anyway. It looks like a chocolate bar. Alright. A chocolate car. Excuse me. Alright, save the sports car. The pawn. Which I thought was a chess piece. To be honest. I saw that in the assets list. I don't think it's saved. Yeah, the car looks the same. Let me fix it. Alright, so... Yeah, it's just a miracle that this chocolate material that's perfect just showed up. Okay. Man, it'd be cool if there was like a history or something. Breadcrumbs or something. Oh my gosh. Alright, the pawn. Again. This thing. Pawn, I guess, is the artist? Something? I don't know. Alright, what's up? We got 3 watching. Thank you for watching. Not leaving. I'm not leaving. Just saying, make sure you like the video if you haven't already. It really helps me out. And why not subscribe? And that's all I'll say about that. And I appreciate all of my subscribers. And my non-subscribers. If you're a non-subscriber, that's cool too. I get it, you know? Subscribing to something is a huge commitment. You have to look at their content in your feed. It better be good, you know what I mean? That's the #1 reason why I unsubscribe to stuff, is I get stuff that I don't like in my feed. Anyway. Save. It didn't do it. I don't know what's going on. Try again. Compile. File. Save. I guess my Control S isn't working. Does it still look like that? Doesn't look like the other one. It doesn't. Now I changed the material once, so I know I did it. How come it's not updating now? I think I have the material, which is stupid, also on here. Yeah. Can I just get rid of these? Just clear them? Do I need them? Because it looks great without me. I mean, I'll double it up. I don't care. Alright, now it's doubled up. I'm going to save again. Save. Control S. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. What's happening? Is it working? I don't think that's the right thing. I think I click out of here. And then this is the right thing. This is the game. The game. What we're making. Alright, why am I green? Green's gotta go. Yeah. Getting there. I see the surface texture and everything. Somewhere we're overriding the color. Let's see. Escape. Okay. Let's just hope this works. Can I get rid of that? I don't know. There you go. That stuff doesn't seem to be a part of this. Let's see. This is the rotate. This is the positioning right here. Okay. That's the skeletal mesh asset. Okay, this is where we have the materials here. Advanced? No. These are... they're not slots, I guess. This camera... this is camera mesh. Camera mesh. Camera collision. Man, there's a lot here. Okay, advanced? No. Probably be closing these down. Advanced again? So many advanced. So advanced. Alright, mesh. We have linear damping, angular damping, and enable gravity. No, I don't think so. Collision? No. Lighting? Cast shadow. Get rid of that. No, we do want that. We definitely want that. Advanced. Lag subset. Nah, that ain't it. Mesh. I feel like I'm hitting the same thing several times, so I must be going over multiple things. So yeah, it's a good sign that I'm in the wrong place. Chassis material. Yeah, I'm wondering if that's doing it. Bye-bye. Whatever. Let's see if it worked. Blueprint compile error. Yeah, that's not good. That's not something you ever want to see. I think that's gonna be it. Alright, so chassis material, default value set to none. And this has matte on it. Can I get rid of you? Is there a hidden single material instance. It's got me searching. Object types. This is like everything. Okay. None. Chocolate. Let me see. Can I drag the chocolate? Let me drag it. Picho. That's variable type anyway. Category default. This says material none, but I don't know. Let's see. Oh, that's better. I can move that around now. Oh, I don't like that. Current asset, none. Okay, whatever. I don't think it's there, to be honest. Let's see. Here's the mesh. And somewhere we got the details of it. This is where it was, wasn't it? Let's look for a material on here. I don't think that we get one. Material overlay. Material max draw distance. 0. Post process. Emissive materials. That might be it. Might actually be it. Post process materials. That's probably something I don't need there. I can't seem to remove it though. Well, that sucks. Okay. How many of those do we have? Hold on. So path tracing. I guess they all need to be set. Path tracing. This is for the cameras. I don't think I need the cameras, right? To have emissive light, or yeah, emissive light. I don't think I need that. This is the details pane. Okay, this is where we have the materials for that. And what else, man? Clothing? Allow cloth actors? No. Chaos clothing simulation. Clothing? I must not know what that is. I must not know what that actually is. It can't be like cloth, right? It's not. It can't be it. It's a car. Apply impulse. Oh, that's cool. Damage. Interesting. It's interesting they use the word damage and not impact. What else we got? Oh, what's up, guys? Sorry, I've been ignoring the chat. Oh, there's no new chats. No big deal. Alright, mode default. This is all physics stuff. All of it. Doesn't feel like I'm in the right place. Deformer. That ain't it. Opponent A, that's not it. Visible, yes. Draw and mass pane. What the fuck does that mean? I shouldn't change this stuff without, like, you know what I mean? Whatever. Per bone motion blur. I don't know if I want that or not. Optimization. Detail mode is low. Change it to high. Being a main object, I think it should be high. If I was gonna make, like, you know, player 2s and stuff, I think it should be lower. And if I was gonna have an online game, I'd parameterize that. Ray tracing. Okay. It bothers me that I can't remove these. Something is messed up. Replication. I don't know what that stuff is, man. I can't see it. Play. Simulating. Alright, so I think we're gonna see it. Which is, I mean, if I can get this going quicker than running the game, then that's great, but I don't see it. So I think it's broken or something. Whatever, I'll just run the game. We're still seeing a green car, aren't you? Alright, let's see if we got some shaders on that car or something. Here's the actual player object. It's called player start. Edit. I can't do that. I wonder if there's any color manipulation here. Cooking. World partition. That ain't it. Data layers. That ain't it. Okay. Well, well, now there's a new chat. Thank you, Bushram. Too focused watching. This is a beautiful stream. Oh, thank you. Very sweet of you. I'm glad you're enjoying it. I'm enjoying myself too. It's really awesome, actually. Probably be doing a lot more of this. What the heck am I doing? I didn't get enough sleep last night, so the brain is not banging on all cylinders today. Alright, let me find the pawn car. Okay, here it is. So annoying that it looks so good there. Viewport. Oh, there it is. Okay. But it looks great there. Yeah, it looks, I mean, it... So what is it called? It has like a HDR thing on it that sucks. Let's see if we can get rid of that. What do they call it? It's something, it's a property of the material, but I think they have it here. Maybe it is on the material, actually. No, that wouldn't make sense. It's probably on the mesh. Alright, so I've lost my details pane. Okay, there's the skeletal mesh asset. Let's edit that. Okay, because you can't see it here. but we're emitting green light from the sky or something like that. I don't know. I really don't know. I sound stupid. Asset details. We've got details. Casts shadow. Visible ray tracing. Visible in ray tracing. That's... I'm not sure. What else is up here? This is the animation graph. Okay, gonna need that in the future. Physical assets of the car, where we have the root. And the body setup, collision. Physical material is none. It's good. None of this looks like this looks like it right here. Got the skeleton tree. The curves. Where's the curves? We don't have any curves. Okay. Think about this for a second. What is this and where is it? Volumetric correction. Clothing. One array element. There's the mesh. That's all well and good. Vertex color override. That ain't it. I don't know. ChatGPT it. Why? I want to yell at ChatGPT. Why would my chocolate be emitting a greenish hue when ran on the debugger in Unreal Engine? The material configuration. Yeah, the specular, right? The texture import settings. Okay. See if we can find that here. Kind of lost with all the tabs. Okay. Let's see. Texture import settings. The hell would that be? Root. Right there. I know that the texture is a part of the material. I don't think that's it. I really don't. I don't think they made the... This is a part of the... This has to be a part of the skeletal mesh. Has to be, because I didn't change this chocolate material at all. And it looks good here. Looks good enough to eat. But yeah, so... I think I'm in the wrong place. I need to be at the skeletal mesh or somewhere else. Here, perhaps, the root here. Texture. Cube map texture is none. And that's correct. deep bias. Draw in main pass. Always. I believe that's correct. I don't think that was the issue, but I think that it needs to be drawn in the main pass. Right? Definitely not the issue, though. Yeah, cube map sounds kind of like what's going on, but I don't see anything for that. Color, texture, draw in main pass always. Yeah. Okay. Still haven't seen anything green. There's like a material. There's a blueprint editor. I wonder how I can go to the blueprint editor. Okay, here this one says my blueprint. It says event graph. This one has chassis material. We set that to off. That was off. Huh. Okay, now it's on, so. How about you go away? Okay, yeah, still green. Still green. Still green. Okay, what else did ChatGPT say? The scene's lighting may be influencing the color. Ensure that no light source or post-processing effect. Green. Okay, let's look at post-processing on the car itself. Go up here. Post. Doesn't look like there's anything. This all kind of looks disabled. Or I think that's actually like that means it's a part of something else. Perhaps it's the material. I should be able to. I really wish that I could edit it here, or at least see where I can edit it, but I can't. So now I'm going to the material to see if there's some weird post-processing on that, even though I don't really think that's what it is. Okay, we'll edit it. Texture group, world, MIP. Sounds like something the Coneheads would say. MIP. Oodle texture. Brightness. Chroma key. Should I drop the brightness to something really low? Now it's dark chocolate. That's easy. I don't think this is the issue because it looks fine everywhere else, right? Actually, no, it kind of looks green there too. Somehow I feel like the sky is emitting a green light. Let's see. Can I turn off the emissive like the channels, something. Mixture group. That's not going to change anything, I don't think. LOD bias. It's like a reflective. Is it reflective? No. Light. Shading. Alpha coverage. Adjustments. No. Okay. Go back to the actual game there. Run it. Yeah, so I don't see green on the right over here. See that? There's no green there. This looks like chocolate, basically. Okay. Man, I'm really not figuring this out. Poncho. That was funny. Shader cook statistics. Connect to revision control. No. Asset actions. It's here. Here's where I'm at the blueprint. Close. It's the event graph. I don't think that's it. There's another place I know that there is where I can see. I guess it's reference viewer. Yeah, this looks more like it. Why do I have two cars? Must have accidentally brought one in. I will need two cars, at least. One is the skeletal mesh. One is an anim blueprint. And I think I'm looking for the skeletal mesh. Right, exactly. This one. So there's a couple of things here. There's two materials. Delete ski. Or can I just break the link or whatever? Edit. No, this is the one I need to edit right here. Edit. And then where's the... This is... Is it the anim graph that I need? No. Get rid of that. I don't think it'll hurt anything. Diff, revision. Where is that material even at? These are the so this is the reference viewer. These are all the references to that material. Okay. Let's try this. Change it to something else. A deferred decal. That's cool. So if you need your object to load in and then the texture afterward, you can use it as a deferred decal. Just the same shaped object as a deferred decal. That's pretty cool. So we'll do it as surface. At the blend mode, we'll will be opaque. Can we just set the opacity to 0? No. Or is it the alpha? No. Well, actually, we can... I think we can do that here. Let's see. I don't want to break it, right? Because if I disconnect this, it might break it. And I don't want that. Okay. It's black now. That's a little bit better. I think if I go over somewhere, I'll be able to turn off like everything. Maybe, I think is this where it starts actually? Yeah, I think so. Just break that. Break it. Break it. Yeah, okay, never mind. Let's see. Translucent. And shading model, unlit. No. Let's see. Default lit. I just want to make it disappear. Translucency. 0. I might fix it, honestly. But I want it to be not there. Isn't there one that's just called visible? No. Google this. It'll be a good, quick Google. Apply fogging. No. Light mode. Material override. Translucency, shadow density scale. 0. 0. No idea what I'm doing, to be honest. Fraction method, none. Gotta be something to turn off here. Opacity mask. There we go. Okay, I think that's gonna be it. So we'll add an opacity mask. Opacity. I don't know what. Chroma key. Oh, just right there. Done. Yay. That's a bit of a cheat. I really should remove the material from the car. I could do it in this editor. I don't remember how to get back here. I'll have to watch my own videos. I do that sometimes. Alright, chocolate car. It's still green. Still green. Not even an improvement at all. How'd that happen? Alright, let's go back to the car. So blueprint class here. Find. This is not, I had to go to the reference viewer. Reference view. There it is. And this car is what we need to edit. No? Maybe this? I don't see the thing anymore. I don't see the torque curve. Yeah, I don't see the material is what I'm trying to say. The one that I had. Is it under the skeletal mesh? I don't think it is. I double click it, now I'm in the reference editor. It is up here. Okay, so still in the skeletal mesh actually. I didn't realize that. Alright, so let's edit that. Starting to get the hang of this, I think. Kinda. We'll see. Somewhere there's a material on here. Somewhere. I have no idea where it is. Maybe in the reference editor we can actually, or the reference viewer, we can actually like open this, where this is somehow. Where is this reference? I think it says what it is. It's just listed as a material. So where is that? In the details pane, right? That's right there. Somewhere there's a material. The bones. This is the bones. I don't think it's going to be the bones that has the material. I could be wrong, but I don't think it's going to be the events that has the material. Yeah. This is probably where it is. Where is the thing? Little asset viewer or whatever. Maybe that's not it. I don't know. Root. This ain't it either. What the heck? It's attached directly to the skeletal mesh. The material is. So, where is it? Target manager. Retarget? No. Make static meshes. Lit. Unlit. Okay. Lit. I gotta be emitting green light. I don't know. So the parent of this, or rather, yeah, what's going on with that? Let's edit this, actually. Okay, that's where I'm at here. It's just some stuff missing. Skeleton tree. That's probably it. I guess that's not it. Okay, it's not the skeleton tree. Control rig. That's not it. Okay. Getting warmer. Asset details. There it is. There it is. Alright. That should definitely be easier to find. There's gotta be a better way to do that. Still no Control S. It's gonna mess me up every single time because I don't learn things while I'm learning things. Can't learn two things at once, I guess is the best way to say that. Alright, let's see. Ah, still green. Just as green as the day it was born. Alright, so now I'm gonna go. Maybe there's a light or something on the actual object. That's possible. Let's see here. Light. Shadow. Starting to rain here. Come on. I wish I could just find like green. Texture. Alpha. Color again. Vertex color import. Lock the color boundaries. Override. Vertex color override. And we'll just take green out. Or something, I don't know. This feels like it's not the right thing to do. I guess I can't take the color from there. Too convenient, huh? Alright. Replace. Oh, no wonder it was running so slow. I forgot to stop the game. Still green, man, and it's running a lot slower. Yeah, it is. It really is. It wouldn't matter on a better system. I'm on my laptop here, but yeah, it's doing better now. Okay, not getting anywhere. I'm gonna go with one more try. Okay. I'm wondering if it's this, actually, the control rig. Okay. Compile. Preview out of date. Maybe that'll start to look more like the green one. I think it's still working too. I don't know. Global space type bone. Axle front. This is not it. No, this is not it. Okay, that's not it. Then we have the physical asset, and then we also have the skeleton. Let's edit the physical asset. This is the graph editor for that, okay? And as you can see, there's nothing there. It ain't that. Let's go with the skeletal mesh. Let's see if I can get a graph editor there. No, I don't see that. What about a override? No. Okay, I guess it's not that either. I think it's the one that's directly on my game, so... Let me see. I never really found that, actually. Where you can find the, what you call it? Dude, the progress is amazing. Thank you. Yeah, it's not going great right now. Oh, and we just crashed. I think that's probably a good time to start. To be honest, I need sleep. That's a good time to stop, actually. So, we did fix the chocolate. We accomplished the goal. That's early. Early we accomplished the goal. But we'll do more Unreal Engine when I've had some sleep and I'm of my right mind. All right, guys, that's it for now. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell notification icon, because I'm kind of person that likes to go live at random times. I kind of have to. My schedule's kind of crazy. All right.